Hello dear friends, welcome to Legal Learning. So today we're going to deal with the relationship between law and morality. So first of all you need to see this chart. First of all you need to understand the difference. So what is law? So we're going to pick some keywords only to understand the difference. Here you can see law is regulated by external source, by rules and regulations. Okay, morality on the other hand is regulated by the internal source, that is the conscience of a person. So for law there needs to be some legislation, some rules, some constitution, some statute book like that. But morality, there's nothing. Morality is not codified. It's our inner conscience that tells us what's right and what's wrong. Further, morality changes from place and time. For example, then other points, law is same for everyone. It is same for every person, but morality is subjective concept that can be different for different people. What is morality for you might not be morality for you. For example, the law is similar for you, similar for me, because it is already codified, it is already in a statute book, it is already provided in the constitution, and all are equally entitled to follow the law. Article 14. But morality is subjective, very much subjective, because it is related to our conscience of a person, what I think, what I feel. It's about, and it's a very subjective concept. That's why this might be different from you. Morality might be different for you. What is moral for you might not be moral for me. For example, there is a thing like adultery, LGBTQ plus community, same-sex marriage, and all these kind of things. So earlier it was like it was against morality, against religion, but now with change of time these things are changing. Now it is immoral to deny a person his human rights. It's their human right. It's not something they are doing moral. They are doing something immoral. So morality changes from time and place, and it's very much subjective. In course of law, we see there's set of punishment, just like IPC under section 53. There are various modes of punishment provided for its violation. It is a penal provision. So punishment is there. It is punitive. In case of law, it is punitive. It provides punishment. It provides penal provisions. But in case of morality, there is no punishment for any moral act. But you can feel the guilty for it. So then laws are enforced by the state. Obviously, there should be state machinery to enforce the law. But morality is ruled by people of the society. So in society, certain things might be immoral, but in the eye of law, these things might be legal. So what is legal is not equal to what is moral. What is legal is not equal to what is moral. Then morality is just from the point of view of the society, but law is just from the point of view of state and legislations. Done. And laws are influenced by morality. Obviously we cannot deny that laws are influenced by morality. There is a middle ground between law and morality. Earlier like natural law theories are also inspired by morality, but and in case of morality, it has emerged before the laws. Morality come before law come later on. So that 6th point is the laws control the action of a person legally. So it's about legal and illegal. And morality controls the action of a person morally. That is the inner conscience of a person. In case of law, it can provide punishment. It is punitive. It is external, and it is guided by the state, the stated books, and like that. So law is made by the legislature are strict. Laws made by the legislature are strict. Law is strict, but moral values do not force any person to obey such rules and moral values. So moral values are not strict because it is mainly regulated by the society and not by the law. So this is the basic difference. There are 7 points of difference between law and morality. If we go to the ancient time, as we find in the Hindu law, the dharma was the important element at that time, dharma, and most of the rules were derived from Vedas and Smritis. So initially there was no difference, there was no much difference between law and morality, but later on in the Mimamsa, there were two kind of rules. One is mandatory and another is recommendatory. Mandatory means one must need to follow, and recommendatory means one can, it is just recommendatory, it is not obligatory for that to follow. So in ancient Hindu law, there was no much difference between law and morality. So law and morality are related in three ways. First of all, morality is the basis of law. Law was originated from morality. Then second, morality is the test of law. The basic aim of the law is to achieve justice and welfare. Justice, welfare and fairness in the society. To achieve this end, we need morality. Then morality as the end of law, because justice, fairness and equality are important ingredient of law, and there should be proper order in the society and less conflict. To achieve this, and also we need morality. So morality is related with law in the three ways as the basis of law. Law was originated from morality. Morality is the test of law. Law should be to test the law, how just the law is, how fair the law is. We need the test of morality. And of course the law also has the same aim, like achieving justice and welfare in the society, and it is the ends of the law. Just for receiving justice, fairness and equality, we need morality, so that there can be order in the society, and there we can minimize the conflict in the society.